everyone, so we're doing a very special video today. I hope you're having a magical day, and this video makes it even more magical because today we're doing a video where Gfriend perform in the rain. You just need to give them props, you just need to give them love. They are amazing for doing this, even though they were rain. That's my alarm to make videos. While making them, I just decided to start it already. But you guys, they're amazing. They should be given, like, I don't know, awards for this. All the idols that do this is just crazy. They don't give up on their fans and they just perform in the rain. It's so cool. So you guys, hope you're having a magical day. This makes today even more magical because I just want to start because it is a huge video. It's like 15 minutes of just seeing what's going on. I hope no one falls because it's like raining. It's easy to get like accidents. I just hope it's okay. But just props to them, it's crazy. They're just amazing for doing it. We're missing one. Wait a minute. Give me a second. Are we missing MG? Where's MG? No. Don't tell me. Did she like hit herself before starting this? Or did they perform something else before this and MG got injured so they are performing without her and she's getting treated? Is it just that MG couldn't make it to this performance? What is it? It is MG, right? Yeah, it is. It is. MG. Oh, that's so nostalgic. Oh, you do. You can see the stage just kind of has splashes. Oh! Stay strong. Good job, Yuju. Careful. Careful. Okay, they're good. That's the stripping here. Okay. God, this slipping is scaring me. Yes, I was protecting everyone. Careful. Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh, you just hear it so. Oh. Look at them, so professional.
바로 머메이드 들려드릴게요.
Oh, I've missed this song. Yes, I was checking on Yuju because she's the one that slept before. And she was also checking on her and positioning her just in case something happens. Which is just so cute. I still miss MG. Where is MG? I love that face. That face of Yuju actually looks like she doesn't feel well. I'm scared. She's okay, right? Oh, look at everyone. Good job, buddy. Oh, she really does sing well. I'm scared. Oh, look at poor Eunha's hands. They're all raindroppy. Their strength is crazy. Aww.
오늘이 개막식인데 폐막식까지 선수분들 다치지 말고 마무리 잘 하셨습니다.
What are they saying? Oh, perfect. I can't tell. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna stop it here. You can go watch the rest of the video yourselves. Their power is just crazy. Oh my god. Wait, are they dancing again? Okay. We might do one more dancing part, but still, they're okay. It's so scary though. I'm so scared because they might hit themselves, and I'm not. One of my first favorite songs. I'm scared. I'm scared. Please, 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 please be safe. Don't run a lot. cold, their hair. Aren't they gonna catch a cold or something there? Honestly, I just hope that they go backstage at some point, just take a break, change clothes, get something a bit warmer. Make sure they're not cold or anything. If they're gonna start coming out again, just make sure that they're okay first, because it's so scary. Obviously this happened before, but I don't know when, so I'm not sure if it bothered them or not. Oh, you do. That person running on the back. Oh, you can see the raindrops right now. Oh. Look at the girl's hair. Oh god. At this point, I just want them to be safe. I love how Buddy's cheering them on, by the way, this one. Oh god, I'm so scared for them right now. At this point, if I was at the crowd, I would be like, go inside, get dressed, clean yourself, don't catch a cold, because that'll be worse. Oh. I'm assuming that they were okay right after that, because I just feel sad. It was just such melancholy just going through the songs, but just looking at their wet hair, their arms just full of water. Oh my god. You guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm kind of don't. I kind of feel sad. I kind of want to just make sure that they're okay. I'm assuming they're okay. It's that mentality of mine. Oh god, thank god we have Soho there just making sure that everyone's okay. She's just keeping track of everyone, if you've seen throughout the video. She's keeping track of Yuju, then a bit of Eunhan, Shinbi and everyone. Still don't know why MJ's not there, but I guess it's safer, at least she's not in the rain like the others. So she's one of the smallest ones in the group as well. Shinbi is the smallest, but still. We're keeping one of the smallest members of the group away from the cold. Oh well. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. This little owl called Albert will be sending you. And I'll see you guys next time in my next reaction. Bye bye.